Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to update your Sketchbook app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store app. And once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to click on the profile icon. Now simply tap on Manage Apps and Devices. Tap on the See Recent Updates option. Here you can check if your Sketchbook app has got some updates to be done or not. If nothing is shown, then you can also check it by simply typing in Autodesk Sketchbook on your search bar and see if any updates are there. So if there is any updates, it will come besides the uninstall option. So you can simply press it and update it. So in this way, you can update your Sketchbook app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.